Good evening, brothers and sisters. My name is Kikongo. Today is the 9th of the 8th, 2013. Today, we're going to do everyday words and phrases in Kikongo. Okay, so we're going to start from the top. Inge nani. Who are you? So, inge nani. Who are you? For example, mano I mansweki, I am mansweki. Inge inkumbu aku nani. What is your name? For example, mano inkumbu ami. My name is Mansweki Melendu. Mano insatu. Mano insatu. Ingena, I am hungry. Inki zoleli, what would you like? Ki zoleli kimako, I don't want anything. Nani, who? For example, nani wena kuna, who was there? Wiza ye mano, come with me. Kizoleliko, I don't want to. Ve ingila, wait. For example, oko invengila, wait for me. Siya kulanda, I will follow you. For example, ekwe, which is where. Vila kana, forget. For example, mano invengila kane. No. For example, mano vila kane, which is I forget. Kina imbotiko, I am not feeling well. Mano inzeyi, I know. Mano ingeti visa, I understand. Thank you, brothers and sisters, for joining me today's lesson. Matundu.